Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. Today's video I have my CLK W208, the convertible one. And if you have this problem with your radio, as you can hear, so there's something wrong with the aerial. So I was checking the back of the radio. Some people say that at the back something snaps on the aerial cable, and then you get this issue. But something I noticed is that every time I put my hand and I hold the antenna at the back, the reception is back. So I decided to remove the antenna. So you need to pull this panel, this cover here, and this is connected to the aerial, which is just here. So this is the aerial that goes there, like so, and it looks like this screw here. Now if I touch this screw, my reception suddenly comes back. So I become the aerial. Now I'm guessing that because this is very dirty here, it's not transmitting properly. It's dirty and corroded and whatever else. I am guessing that I'm gonna try to clean that and reconnect it to this and see if that helps. I'm guessing this screw here screws onto here, and then there must be like a metal aerial in here that gets the reception for the radio. So I'm just gonna give this a quick clean and see if that fixes my problem. So as soon as I touch it, I get radio. So let's give it a clean. Right, I cleaned it and screwed it back on. By the way, this screw here is a Torx screw. If you undo that Torx, this is going to be connected up here. If you undo that Torx, this will become detached from this, and your aerial will come off. But now you can hear my radio is working. So just have to clean that. It is also possible that this can become faulty, this little unit. I mean, I'm gonna give it a go now that I found this, but if I still have a problem with the aerial, it might be that this little unit here is gone dodgy. But at the moment I can hear a very good reception now, just from cleaning that screw. Otherwise you could test this, you could remove these. If you still have bad reception after cleaning these, you could remove this antenna here, and if you connect, as you can see, you only have to touch it with your finger and it gets reception. So that's one way of testing things. Or you can just touch a screwdriver in the center, and if you get reception, then you know you have a problem here. I mean, with this. And obviously if your reception is still bad even after checking here, then this cable, there might be something wrong with this cable, or there is another unit to which this connects to. But for now we're looking at the simple fix here, which seems to be working. So having said that, I hope the video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next video. So thank you for watching.